Hello, everybody. Good to see you. Wow, it's a lovely sunny day today. I think spring's on its way. So let's sing hello to one another and then I'll show you what we're going to do today. It's all going to be about these sorts of people. Ready? Sing hello to everyone. Sing hello to everyone. Sing hello to everyone. Sing hello. Clap hello to everyone, clap hello to everyone, clap hello to everyone, clap hello. And wriggle hello to everyone, wriggle hello to everyone, wriggle hello to everyone, wriggle hello. Oh, this person seems to be getting in front of me. Are you trying to tell us something? Are you ready to play? I wonder if you've got any soft toys at home. This is going to be all about our soft toys. If you've got just one that you love to cuddle when you go to bed, or if you really like a big one like this is my big monkey, or maybe you like really small ones like this, a tiny one like this small bear. And perhaps you like ones that look like real animals, like this dog with lovely ears and a spotty coat, little black tail. And look, she's wearing a collar. There she is. Or do you like ones that don't really look much like any animal at all? Like, this one here. This one's called Joker. And I don't really think that he's got any kind of animal in mind. He's got a beak, a little hat, some paws, he's got some big legs, and he's the most cuddly guy you ever saw. So I wonder who you've got. And I wonder what sort of games you like playing with them. Sometimes we just want to cuddle them. Maybe just take our special one to bed. Or sometimes we might want to play tea parties. Perhaps give them a little drink like this. Maybe a piece of cake. Sometimes we might want to play schools with our soft toys. Nursery or school, and set them all up in a row. And then we could make some little books for them like we did the other week. Make some little books and have a pencil. We could write their names in. Pretend writing is fine. That one says Ted on the front. Are you Ted? Oh no, this is Monkey. Where's Ted? Hey Ted, come on down. You're supposed to be at school. Or maybe we'd like to just sit nice and quiet and read them a story. Would you like a story, Ted? Show them the pictures. Lots of things you can do with your soft toys. Whilst I've got this Ted in my hand, shall we sing that song? One about I know a teddy bear, brown eyes and curly hair. You might need two of them for this because they're going to go roly-poly into town and they're going to knock all the teddies down. Oh, are you going to knock one another down? Going to have a little roll together. I think they're rolling down the grassy bank. I wonder if they will roll into one another. See if you can remember it. It goes like this. I know a teddy bear, brown eyes and curly hair, roly-poly into town, knocking all the teddies down. I know a teddy bear. Well, what game shall we play with our soft toys today? Shall we make something? To make this, you will need, if you've got one, a box, because we're going to make a bed for a Ted. So if you've got a big box, you could maybe make a bed for a big Ted. Let's have a look and see. Here's a big box. Let's see if Ted will fit in there. In you go, Ted. Oh, yes, look at that. Teddy just fits in beautifully. And if you've got a small Ted, you'll need a small box. But let's do this one first. What should we do to make it look special and nice? It's a plain old box at the moment. But if you've got some pens, and maybe You might have one or two stickers. Doesn't matter if you haven't though, pens are fine. You could draw a picture on the side of Ted's bed. And you could make it look really nice like this. Look. I think this person maybe drew some mountains. And look, they had a sticker that was a little deer. Made some patterns. I wonder if that's X marks the spot, or do you think it might be a kiss? I'm not quite sure. And then on the end, if you put a grown-up to help you, or if you like doing your own sort of writing, you could write the name of your soft toy. This one says Ted. Look, there's a picture of her on the end. So let's put her in and see how she feels in there. I think there might be something missing. What do you think? What do you have on your bed to keep you cozy and warm? I wonder if you sleep in a bed on your own, or if you sleep in a bed with one of your grown-ups, or maybe your brother or your sister, maybe the cat. Anyway, this Ted needs to have something to keep her cozy and warm in bed. What could we use? Have a look around the house with your grown-up. You might have some kitchen paper, maybe a flannel, maybe some tea towels, maybe a duster. This duster is the kind of thing that people use when they're doing some cleaning at home. It's a lovely yellow one, look. It's got some nice red stitches on the side. It really begins to look like some sort of bed cover or something for a bed. Maybe we could turn this one into the mattress for Big Ted. A nice soft bit at the bottom to keep Big Ted safe and cozy in there. Can you get Ted? So now what are we going to cover Ted up with? Well, remember those tea towels that I just mentioned? Here's one. This one's got really nice flowers on it. Do you think we could put that over Ted? All tucked in and cozy. I'll show you when I finish doing the tucking. There we are. Look at that. There's Ted in our bed, cozy and warm, all decorated down the side that we can just see our paws sticking up. I wonder if she's going to sleep. So if you were going to make a bed for a small Ted, you'd need a small box. I found this one. I was lucky when I found this one because it was decorated already. It was a pretty box that had pictures of flowers and a little moon in the middle. The box that used to have some tea bags in it once. So how about a piece of kitchen paper in the bottom? Well, look, that fits nicely. That would make it nice and soft inside. And let's put Ted in there. Here you go, small Ted. I'll just hold small Ted's tummy to show you. We'll put your bottom sheet nice and straight. There we are. And something a bit smaller than a tea towel maybe, although I expect we could fold it up really little, couldn't we? But how about this flannel? Let's try with that. Oh, look, it's really good because you can practice doing all sorts of folding as well. There, look at that. I'm going to tuck it over little Ted and then I'll show you. There. Little Ted's in his bed, all cozy and warm. Well, little Ted, I can hear somebody else calling. Oh, where are you? I can hear you calling, but I can't find you. Oh, here you are. It's the other little Ted. The other little Ted says, is there room for me as well? Let's see. Put them both in. See if there's enough space. Oh, yes, look. 2 Teds in a bed. I hope they don't start rolling over and falling out, don't you? But do you know, that just makes me think about that little rhyme that we know. Not the one about them falling out, but the one about what the teddy bears do. Look, I'll find Big Ted, and Big Ted can help us. Big Ted just gets out of bed for a minute. Teddy bear, turn around. Can you do that too? Teddy bear, touch the ground. Can you do that? Teddy bear, Switch off the light. And teddy bear, say good night. There they are, going to sleep in their bed. Let's do that again, just quickly. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, switch off the light. Teddy bear, say good night. Should we sing them a little sleepy song? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. They've gone to sleep. That was really good. We made them beds and they went to sleep. Now it's time for us to say goodbye. I don't think we're going to go to sleep yet. Well, you might be. If you were watching this and it was nearly bedtime. Are you going to sleep, Ted? No. What are you going to do? You're going to eat that piece of cake that's on the table. What, the one that Judy had earlier on? Okay. Here we go. Delicious. But it is time for us to say goodbye. Say goodbye from Judy and Claire in the toy library. Bye from all the soft toys. Hope you have lots of fun and we'll see you again soon. Ready to wave? Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye. And kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye. Bye. See you soon.